set up and it's preloaded. Over here, if you look, you can see that it's set on this digital indicator at 5.98 millimeters. And I tap on it down here to see how it settles. And it's bouncing around between 5.98, 97. Down underneath, you can see the T-fitting that allows the input in. This over here is the vent valve, and if you follow this line, it goes around and up to the funnel that's the input. This over here is the air input, and it's been pinched off by these hemostats after the preload. So right now on top there's that weight, and I'm sitting at 5.97. This is the cup that's got the water that I'm going to put in. So I'm going to weigh that for my start condition. So turning on the scale, let it zero, set that on, and it's 178. Which, well, over here I had already written 178 because that's what it was last time, because it is pretty repeatable. So that's that. Now I'm going to start pouring water in up here, and we'll see as it rises. So we want to go from 5.97 up to 15.97 to get a 10 millimeter lift, and then we'll see what the weight is. So you can see or here I'm pouring it in, and it's going up. We're at 12, 13, 14. I'm going to stop and start tapping. Wow, that wasn't too bad so far. Okay, so 15.15 approximately. And back over to the scale, I'm going to weigh how much is left. Oop, turn it off, turn it back on. Now we see it's got 103, and I'm writing that down. Okay, so at this point I can lift the load weight off, and I'm going to weigh that. So again, the scale is at 0. And it should run up to 1217. Yep, 1217. Okay, so that was the lift. But you can see it shot up to 19.51. So it did go up after the mass was removed. So I'll try to go down to about 10 millimeters below, which should be 9.5 approximately. I'm trying to do this fast. Okay, so we're narrowing in on it. Oh, I went way past it that time. But we still have to put the weight back on to get back to our initial condition and see if we're anywhere near the 7.98 I think we started at. So I do need to add some water back in. I'll do that bit by bit. I normally use an eyedropper if I'm not trying to hurry. Okay, we're getting there. I probably overshot. Yeah, it overshot by a lot. But back over here, and just a real quick double check on the initial condition. 173, yeah, much less than the 178 that I started from, but I did overshoot. But it does show you the 178 start 103 at the end. Oh, Crayola. That ends up at 75. Very close to the 74 that I said initially. And that's the cycle. Thank you.